This is a challenge lock, Poltergeist by Dark Arts Lockpicking. Get a load of that bitting. Going to make sure I've got a pick that will get in there. Might be able to get away with that one. So we'll have to try a couple of different ones to see, maybe. It's probably going to be a bit of a pain, but give it a go. Making a little bit of progress. I can feel it slowly getting deeper. Bit concerned about oversetting those low lifts, but I suspect they might not be as low as you might think just looking at them. Like, I don't think they're true zero lifts. So they will need a little bit of a tickle. Ooh, that's getting somewhere. Tension is trying to fall out. Let's try this to get a little bit more control. It does make getting in the bottom of the kiwi a little trickier, but we'll see. Okay, back in that false set. Deeper. I think we're probably getting close. Please be open. Oh, yes. Oh, okay, so not terrible. I think if the key had been mummified, it would have been a little bit more tricky just because I wouldn't have known straight away that it was such a crazy max violating. Oh. See how I do this. Delp. Let's find out what you put in here. Key works alright, even though it's super crazy up-down bitting. Okay, oh. So the top of that plug's filed off, which probably, maybe because, I don't know. What? Okay. Interesting. Hope that's not supposed to be attached to a spool and I've broken it. Alright. So we do have milling. 1 is standard, 2 pretty nasty undercut. Looks like it's I was going to say it looks kind of rounded, but it's kind of sharp as well. I'd say these ones I probably call that serrated, even though it looks like it's been done with a wheel burr or something. And then that one's undercut quite nicely. All right, let's see what's going on up top. I'm a little bit worried about that first driver. Okay. Maybe it's just a weird little wafery thing. Don't know why you'd put a master wafer in your challenge lock. The spring variation. Ooh. That's a nice one. This is one of the serrated ones. Probably be better off in the undercut one, but that's not for me to decide. Ooh. Get out. Whoa, strong spring on that one. Whoa, that's a cool pin. Lots of layers. I don't know how many locks you've got to cannibalize to get that many springs, but top looks fine. Let's give you a close up of these. Actually, let's figure out what's going on with this one. Weird. Anyway, there's the pins. That was Poltergeist by Dark Arts Lockpicking. So when I was reassembling this, I realized that this is in fact a 2-part key pin. So there's a recess in what I thought was the key pin, and this thing that looks like a master wafer T pin actually sits in there. And if you look, that better not be gone forever. There's a slight taper on that as well. So that is a bit of an overset trap, I think. I guess you could probably over lift the key pin, get the T pin above shear, and then let the key pin drop again, and it might open, but that'll make it, yeah, could be a little bit more complicated.